por esa persona. And you can see the embryo inside. That's the intestine. Now this is called balut, and I thought it would be very sweet, but I've been told it's quite sour. So I'm not sure why somebody would want to eat that. I certainly don't. But how much per kilo?
100 per kilo.
And it's 100 per kilo. So I wouldn't say it's overly expensive, but I don't know. I'll have a try. I think I'll have a try, see what it tastes like. Oh my god. Ah. That's seriously sour. I think we'll pass on that one. But this is beautiful. This is really nice. I've got to have my muku juice, which is basically a coconut drink. It's lovely and cold, really refreshing. But now, Mel says I've got to try this shumai. Very tasty. It is very nice. I'm going to treat you all to some balasta, and all it basically is egg and batter. But strangely enough, it's quite nice, quite enjoyable. So you come to the stall, you pick one, and then is that salt? And that's just vinegar and onions. And it is really nice. There's some kind of spice in the batter. It's really nice and filling. But later on, I've been challenged to eat some balut. Now, for you that don't know what balut is, it's basically a duck egg. It's a duck embryo, and it's a specialty in Asia, not just in the Philippines. So you'll have to wait till later when all the street food comes on to see if I'm going to eat it. Okay, so I've been given a challenge, and the challenge is to eat balut. I don't know if you're aware of it, but I've told lots of subscribers that hell would have to freeze over before I ate balut. I cannot understand why, when you have a choice, you choose to eat embryo. Why? But of course, I'm always up to a challenge. So today, I'm going to eat balut. Now, to eat balut, what you're supposed to do is crack the egg, which that's not what you're supposed to do. When you crack the egg, you drink the juice that's just gone all over everybody. Peel all the shell off, put a bit of salt on it, put some salt in it. Oh my god. And you can see the embryo inside. It absolutely stinks. So here we go. No, to be honest, I'd rather eat my own earwax than eat this. So I'm going to bring in my stand-in for these special occasions, and that is Edward. And he's going to show you how delicious balut is. Go for it, Edward. So first you just tap the egg a bit, just to break the top so you can start peeling the egg away. And then there's a juice inside. So what you're supposed to do first is put a bit of salt in. And then you drink that juice. Oh, yummy, look at that. Oh, go on. Oh, that looks really appetizing. Get it down here then. Oh, lovely. Now you peel the rest of it back. And you can see the embryo inside. I don't know what that poor little embryo's done to him. But take it from me, it looks really disgusting and it stinks. But he's loving it. And I can say in all honesty that unless I had absolutely no choice, would I eat balut? Not a chance. It's making me feel really sick. Just like a yellow egg. No. Right. So after that, we're going to do a bit of barbecue. Let's see what you can get for a few pesos. See you in a moment. So we're here at the barbecue stand, and as promised, I'm going to show you a bit of street food. This is just typical food you'd find all over the Philippines. And on here, all this meat is from the chicken. Now, this here is actually chicken blood. And then is the chicken intestine. That's beautiful. It's really nice. And this, we can't work out in English what it is. It's part of the liver, I think, part of the chicken. But it's all nice stuff. It's really nice. So what we got here is chicken head and chicken feet, but I think I'll give these ones a pass. I'm not too keen. I had enough feet the other day. So we're having some cooked, and we'll show you a bit of what it tastes like in a bit. Right, I'm going to tell you, nothing goes to waste in the Philippines. All the chicken's used, every bit of the chicken's used. Now, like I said to you before, that's the chicken innards. That's the intestine. Now, when somebody asked me to taste this originally, I said no. But then I got bullied into tasting it. It's really nice. It tastes like chicken meat. Now this is chicken blood. In the UK, I like what we call black pudding, which is pig's blood. But I have tried this before and I'm not keen. No, I'm not keen. Yeah, it's not nice. I don't think so anyway. Now what I want to say as well is, I've never ever been ill eating the street food, never. It's always fresh. You can see it's fresh when they bring it. It's, you know, newly slaughtered, whatever. But it's really nice. Do you like that? Yeah. Now this is pork, but they always put pork fat on the end, and I won't eat the fat because I'm getting fat enough, as you probably noticed. That's beautiful, really nice. So, excuse me, when you're here in the Philippines, come and give the street food a go. You know, I'm sure you'll like it, not all of it, and especially the balut, don't even bother, really, it's awful. But the rest of it, the pork, the chicken intestines, try it, it's really nice. So that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. We'll see you again on the next one. Bye for now. If you like my videos, please subscribe, help me on Patreon, give me the thumbs up, like on Facebook. Here's some more videos, or you can buy one of my t-shirts and help me out that way.